Hi everyone, I am Sourav and welcome on to our YouTube channel Tech Sourav. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can solve pending problem in your Google Play Store. So without any delay, let's start our today's video. But before starting this video, if you never subscribe our channel yet, subscribe must the channel and press the bell notification on all for the latest update from our channel. So without any delay, let's start our today's video. So friends, before showing the solution of that problem, first I show you what problem I am facing. Here when I am going to install or update any app from my Google Play Store, I am getting pending message from Google Play Store. Here I want to install Candy Crush Sanka from my Google Play Store. But when I click on install, I am getting this pending message. Now I will show you how you can solve this problem. To solve this pending problem, first you have to open Google Play Store. Here on top with search bar, you have to click on your Gmail profile photo on your Google Play Store. After that, a menu opened onto your screen. Here you have to click on settings. Here in settings, you get 5 options. You have to click on network preference option. In network preference, you have to set your app download preference on any network. After setting app download preference, you have to go back to home screen. Here you have to hold the Google Play Store app. After that, you get app info option. You have to simply click on it. Here you have to clear your Google Play Store's all data. After that, you have to open your Google Play Store. After changing the settings, you can see the problem you are facing is gone. So that's enough for our today's video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.